Are you thinking of selling your home? Let's talk about three mistakes that I see sellers make and what I recommend you do instead. I'm Cheryl Cook. I love homes and I'm a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And mistake number one is not prepping your home. Buyers do notice the little things: mess, odors, worn out finishes. What do I recommend you do instead? Well, I'm not going to tell you to renovate your home before you sell, but I am going to say to deep clean your home. And then let's talk about decluttering and staging. Now, I know that most of us need to live in our homes while they're on the market. So, this doesn't necessarily mean professional staging where we bring in a bunch of furniture that you have to live around and take away everything you have. I know you need to go about your lives. So, we're talking about removing some of the clutter of our daily lives and setting up spaces to show them at their best and for their best use. So, do you have big windows? Let's show them off. Do you have nice countertops? Let's clear them off. Small things like paint touch ups and bright lights and fixtures can go a long way. Mistake number two: amateur photos. First impressions happen online, and bad photos can cost you buyer interest. Again, we're trying to show your home at its best, not at its most mediocre in kind of off lighting. So instead, I invest in professional photography, videography, drone footage, 3D walkthroughs, and floor plans because your home deserves to stand out and look its best, and it's part of my job to make that happen. Mistake number three is overpricing. Leaving room to negotiate is a strategy that, like any other strategy, should be applied carefully and with thought. What we want to do is avoid overpricing. Overpricing can stop buyers from coming to look at your home. So, what to do instead? We price it right from the start based on market data. We want that price to bring in more interest quickly and avoid having your home sitting on the market for an extended period. No one wants that. What we want is to sell your home for the best price in the least amount of time. So if you want to avoid mistakes like these and sell with confidence, get in touch. I'll help you list smart, market well, and sell with less stress.